I've done a lot more vacuuming since Christmas than I have ever done. Why? Well, heck, it's a lot of fun, the kiddies love it, and makes a great mobile landing pad for my indoor helicopters. So enjoy this demo and see how it works. Okay, the Roomba is charging. Let's go ahead and kind of show you how this thing actually works. Let's put it on max clean. Let's turn it on. Got the virtual wall set up here. The Roomba does a really good job underneath the dining room table, and it picked up a lot of stuff. Here you can see the Roomba just went right in on the linoleum. No adjustments have to be made. It does a really good job picking up a lot of the pet hairs and stuff inside the kitchen area here.
Yes! Oh no! Yeah, look at that. Okay, out of power. When it's blinking like that, it's now going to dock itself on its own charging. I got a virtual wall that came with it. When you turn this on, it shoots a infrared beam out here, and the Roomba sees it with its eye here. It will not cross it. And also the remote, so I can make it go where I want. Now I just ran it very little bit of time there in the living room. I'm going to show you how this cleans. You pull this off right here, and this is your dust bin. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we're going to see if I can do this with one hand, how much dirt that actually pulled out of there when I started. Yeah, look at that. That is filthy dirt. And there's a filter in this thing. Right here. He caught all that hair and everything in that filter. Pretty good. Okay, and then there's dirt in the bin here, which I will dump out. Now it doesn't pick up big pieces of cat food and stuff, but tiny little hairs and microparticles and everything, it does a really good job. Turn it over here. Show you what's in here. First of all, this is a rotating brush. I really like this. It picks up the dirt around the edges you can't get a vacuum in. There are cliff sensors down in here that tell when it's on a steps. It immediately turns around. It keeps track of what it's doing, so it doesn't ever get lost. It won't get stuck. Okay, you saw how I cleaned out this. These are wipers back here for the bottom. It's got two brushes right here that throw, and a pretty powerful vacuum part of it too. And there's your dust bin. And if you want to clean the brushes, you pop this up like this, and here you can clean your brushes out. Came with a tool and everything to do it. This is the pop-in battery right there, and these are the contacts for when it finds its way to its charging port. So pretty slick design, and I got a lot of fun out of it already, even though it's my wife's. This is the perfect thing for playing with the model airplane helicopters, that's for sure. That's what it looks like from the bottom. Put it down there. Okay, so here we go. And if I want to just start it cleaning without the remote, I just push the clean button. Starts in a circular motion until it runs into something.
Yeah, it sure does a pretty doggone good job for its size. Well, certainly vacuuming has turned out to be a lot more fun for me.